Okay, we're going to be talking about MSDS's material safety data sheets. This happens to be one of the books that we have on campus, which, and I'll talk briefly what a material safety data sheet is, but this is all in here. A material safety data sheet is you can even find it in any of your household products. Windex is one of them. If you go to the Windex or website for it and you look and you ask for the material safety data sheet, it'll tell you exactly what to do if you either drink it, which you shouldn't be doing, or inhale it and you get sick, or you get it on you, you get some type of red marks on your skin from a reaction to it. You can go to that sheet, and that sheet tells you what to do and how to treat it. Most times it'll tell you to seek medical attention, go to the hospital. But again, in these cases here on the school, it's going to be all of our chemicals we have here. We do use a database for all of our chemicals on campus. You can also find anything that we do have on campus online through our MSDS Online, which you will see right here. You go to the portal, go to the resource section. On there then you can just print in whatever material you're working with, and that will come up. So all of our chemicals here are inventoried through SysPro, which is a very accurate system of documenting it. Some of the other things that you see on the wall here, besides these booklets here, is going to be the contact emergency numbers, and if you can see out, it's Campus Safety, myself, and then Dr. Aaron Miller that you can contact. Some of the other things that are on here is that when you're in this lab, you need to be wearing protective equipment, which is, again, if you need hearing protection, you wear it, eye protection, aprons, as Dr. Miller talked about before when we talked about SPCC, gloves. So again, you want to be sure you're wearing that particular product. Some of the other things that you will find in here, obviously, is an escape route to get out of the building in case of a fire or an emergency, our response plan. But then there's also a couple other items that are in here. One of them is if you're in a lab and you break something and you cut your finger, to that effect, you want to fill that out. You want to have a record of that. So you fill it out, give it to your professor in the classroom or the training assistant. Then also, which is here, is another form that, as we talked about in the SPCC plan, if you do spill something, you want to fill this report out. Excuse me, because that then will come back to myself or John Zuckerman, which we in turn then will file it. We do have to keep these on file. So again, it's very simple. You need to find out what you're using. MSDS, you can either get it online or you can use it within